Good morning from Prudent Prosperity, Wednesday, June the 4th. Here are 5 things you need to know today. Number 1, U.S. stock futures wavered on Wednesday as Wall Street digested a sharp slowdown in private sector hiring growth, with one eye on prospects for a U.S.-China trade talks as a steel tariff hike kicked in. S&P 500 futures and Dow Jones Industrial Average futures both were pointing lower. Contracts on the tech-heavy NASDAQ 100 also lower by 0.1%. Number 2, on Wednesday, data from ADP showed private payrolls grew by just 37,000 in May, far fewer than the 114,000 expected by economists and below the 60,000 new jobs added in April. This marked the smallest increase in private payrolls since March 2023. Number 3, NVDA stock advanced 0.5% in pre-market trading, adding to its $1 trillion rally that saw it surpass Microsoft as the world's most valuable company by market capitalization. NVIDIA's market cap stands at $3.444 trillion following a more than 50% rally in May, compared to Microsoft's valuation of $3.441 trillion. The stock has gained more than 4% since reporting first quarter earnings last week. NVIDIA is scheduled to present at the Bank of America Securities Global Technology Conference on Wednesday, which could prompt additional moves. Number 4, hopes for a U.S.-China trade pact dimmed after Trump called President Xi extremely hard to make a deal with in a post to social media on Wednesday. The Geneva tariff truce between the two has appeared increasingly fragile amid clashes over issues such as chip exports, rare earth supplies, Taiwan, and visas. Number 5, CrowdStrike Holdings shares are dropping 7% in pre-market trading after the cybersecurity firm delivered a current quarter revenue outlook that was lower than analysts' projections. For the first quarter, CrowdStrike reported adjusted earnings per share (EPS) of 73 cents, above Visible Alpha consensus, on revenue that increased 20% year-over-year to $1.1 billion, roughly in line with expectations. However, its Q2 revenue projection of $1.14 billion to $1.15 billion was a tick below estimates. The stock had closed at an all-time high Tuesday before the results. And that's it for today.
If any of today's insights sparked a question or made you think about your own financial journey, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Let's take your next step together, strategically and confidently. And always remember, stay prudent, stay prosperous, make it a great day.